Have you ever wanted to edit like those big YouTubers but didn't know where to start? Well, this video is for you. So basically, we'll give you the basics of how to edit on CapCut and how to navigate through it. And don't worry if your edits aren't that pro and very good, because you'll get there one day like me. So obviously you need a clip of you to edit. When you press new project, it'll send you to your photos and you gotta edit that photo. And there's lots of free clips on CapCut when you search it up. Basically you hit template and you delete the text and export it. It's just better for beginners because it's more high quality and you don't really know how to make a clip, so. And of course you don't have to use a free clip, you can use your own clip. So basically once you got your clip, when you press this button audio, it take you to the audios. There's some ones on CapCut you can use. You can extract one, which I'll talk about it later. It's very helpful for me for YouTube videos because I couldn't find a lot of popular songs. You can frame it some, so one of its nice songs, you can find it later. You can also record, which I use that with my video right now. Text is where you like type something and there's lots of cute templates you can use. That's kind of new, I think. They're really cute. And there's some fonts, they're mostly pro, but I bet you can just like use some of the good fonts that are not pro. There's also some stickers, they're really cute, but they're not really necessary. You can use them if you want for like long videos or decoration, maybe. And yeah. And all of these aren't really like necessary for editing, they're just like things for long videos, like extract video, extract from link, translate, all that stuff. You can draw if you want, but that's not really necessary, I think. Like, they're good for like scribbling stuff and stuff. Yeah. Overlay is really good for masking and stuff. Like, it's very, very helpful. Maybe you can try this like green screen thing, and I'll teach you how to remove the green stuff later. But yeah. Effects is also really helpful. There's lots of different kinds of effects, like backflash. You can avoid the pro ones. I mean, you don't really necessarily need the pro. They're just like pre-made for you. But you can decide to try to make your CapCut editing look pro. Like there's a lot of them, and you don't have to make a good edit with pro stuff, and it's pretty easy. And you can also search it up, like, because if you want to try to find something, like maybe you want to try to find a flashing thing, or maybe it's not there, but you can try to find it, like the closest one. You see that square in the bottom, like it just like moves the size, and it's really helpful because sometimes I don't know how to size it like my YouTube size. But yeah. Filters over here is also very helpful because it just changes the color, it changes the mood. I really use this one for editing because like I know it just transitions and stuff like that. I like to transition my stuff with that BW3. You can also change how intense it is or whatever that thing is. So yeah, also I use adjust to make a really high quality video. I use brilliance 100, sharpen 100, clarity 100, highlights minus, whites, blacks, and vignette. Also you can adjust like how long you want the adjust to be, and so yeah. This is my own clip, but yeah, this is my avatar on Roblox, but this is the change. It was like before and after, and it's very, very helpful. So now we're going to talk about how to use overlays and how to mask. So basically you just have your clip and use your size, and splice is very, very helpful. You can search up tutorials of how to use splice and in background removal, and you click chroma key. Since it's green, you can basically just boom, and you can control the intensity too. Very intense, and so yeah. You can also change the speed. It's very good for like velocity videos. You can also search up tutorials of how to velocity edit. Here's a mistake that I did in my beginning years. So basically I did a velocity edit with the audio, and you're supposed to extract it so it won't sound slow and very weird like that. I'm sorry for the weird ASMR, but let's take it to the next chapter, which is the number one thing I think you should use is transitions. It's basically where maybe you split something and you click the button like line thing and it sends you to transitions. I think it's very helpful because you don't want your video to be blocky. I mean like clumpy dumpy. I think you can probably understand what I'm trying to say. But you should also use some effects too. I mean, doesn't everybody like? You shouldn't use all of the effects. There's some tricks you can use with the effects, like when you adjust, you can adjust that, and maybe you can clump effects together to create like a bounce or something, because like that's what you do. So the next thing I think you should do, you should also use graphs when you use keyframes. Basically, you want to press on your clip, and there's a little triangle thing, and you gotta like move it around, and then next keyframe you'll move it around too. And it's really helpful to me because it will make my movements for my keyframes more smoothly. And I hope you get me. You can try look at a tutorial to see what I mean. But yeah. Also, if you have Pro, you could use one of those effects, but some of that isn't really necessary because you can use some of them. Just don't spam all of them because it seems like your editing skills are so poorly. You just use effects and boom. Like, just you don't spam effects, okay? Just don't spam it because it'll look really weird. So one person I recommend to watch tutorials by is Amy Edits. Her tutorials are really easy to follow, and I just like it. Yeah. Another person I would recommend you to follow tutorials is not Callie, Crazy Callie. I don't know their exact YouTube channels, but if you can search it up, that's awesome. You can find them. That's awesome, really awesome. But if you like fail the tutorial, you can try again. There's this thing called practicing. If you don't know, like, oh my god, that's such a new thing. I didn't know what practicing was. But anyways, yep. And obviously, you don't need to follow Roblox tutorials, but I have some more tutorials that are not Roblox, because like you don't have to do Roblox edits. So, and obviously, you don't need to follow Roblox tutorials, but not Roblox, because like you don't have to do Roblox edits. So, I mean, people might be bullying me because they make Roblox edits, so please don't. I swear, because that's the only thing. It's just for fun. Like, don't say, oh my god, rethink your life choices. Oh my god, like, chill, bro, chill. I'm not hurting anyone. So, like, yeah. And I think you should do tutorials. Maybe just search up tutorials, because I don't know. I just don't want to do tutorials myself, because I don't want to do more tutorials like this, because this video took so much time. It took me about 2 days, not 2 days straight, but like I took some breaks in between. But I'll try if you really want a tutorial of something in the comments section. I hope I can like try to make a tutorial, but I hope someone watches this and it's helpful, because this video took so much time. I know I just made this video for fun, so good luck on your edits, and yeah. So we're gonna head into the next chapter, which is yeah, I hope this video is helpful for any people who are having trouble editing and maybe they have received hate a lot. Just don't listen to the hate and make sure you keep doing what you like, keep editing, and yeah, I hope this video is helpful for any people who are having trouble editing and maybe they have received hate a lot. Just don't listen to the hate and make sure you keep doing what you like, keep editing, and I hope you have a good day, have a good night or afternoon. And go ahead, if you haven't downloaded CapCut, go ahead and edit. And like this video if you want to see more tutorials like this. I can try to do tutorials, so don't worry, it'll just take me a long time. So if you've got any requests for my videos or any requests to do my shorts, go ahead, comment down and subscribe pretty please, because you won't see me anywhere. And go ahead, if you haven't downloaded CapCut, go ahead and edit. And like this video if you want to see more tutorials like this. I can try to do tutorials, so don't worry, it'll just take me a long time. So if you got any requests for my videos or any requests to do my shorts, go ahead, comment down and subscribe pretty please, because you might not see me anymore in your For You page. And bye, shooting stars. And now if you want to see this gameplay, just chillax, and if you don't, just bye-bye.